know, I would say he's Rookie of the Year as he gets his first career win.
Yes, a very impressive feat for Gio Ruggiero. You are a winner at Talladega in the NASCAR Truck Series. How does that feel?
It feels great. I'm so thankful to be here. Just super thankful for all the guys on the 17 truck. You know, they worked their ass off, and they definitely brought the best piece today. We showed it in qualifying and there throughout the race. We definitely had the fastest piece. So just thanks for everybody at Toyota and everybody who supports me. It's great to win a race with my mom and dad here as well.
Congratulations. Enjoy this one. Gio Ruggiero, the big winner here in Talladega. Todd.